Chris, where are you going?
I'm going to the store.
Really? I need to go to the store too.
Would you like to come with me?
Yes, let's go together.
Would you like to go now or later?
Now.
What?
Now would be better.
Okay, let's go.
Should we walk?
No, it's too far. Let's drive.
Chris, where are you going? Really? I need to go to the store too. Yes, let's go together. Now. Now would be better. Should we walk?
I'm going to the store. Would you like to come with me? Would you like to go now or later? What? Okay, let's go. No, it's too far. Let's drive.